Okay, so for this wall hanging we will need 15 ropes. I've got each rope 6 meters long, which is about 20 feet. Okay, we're gonna attach the rope using a lark head's knot. So what you have to do is get the middle of the rope. So this is exactly the middle. Hold it like this, make a loop and pull the rope through. Okay, that's it. Okay, so first I'll be showing you how to make the double clove hitch. So here you have 4 ropes, 5, and take number 6 as your holding cord, and then you tie the double clove hitch around it. I'll show you one way. You can hold your cord like this and then pull your holding cord through it. This is an easier way if the cords you're working with are very long. And I'll show you another way. Other way, you go under through this loop. That's the first part, and then once more. Personally, I think this is easier. So then you continue. So we'll keep making double clove hitch knots in kind of like a V shape. So like here, and keep going like this. So we use this cord as the other holding cord. So, and now the last one. Now we do the same pattern, once more here in the middle, and then once more over here. So we take 2, 4, 5, 6, rope number 6. Okay, now we can connect these two together. We'll keep all the lines, these lines going to the left, we'll keep them continuous. This one is your next holding cord again. For the last one, we'll take cord number 6 again, which is this one. Use it as our holding cord. Okay, so for the last one, this is your holding cord again. And then it's on to the berry knots. Alright, so now I'm gonna show you how to make the berry knots. First off, you have to take the inside 4 ropes. Leave a little bit of space and then start tying 3 square knots. So that is 1, 2, and the last one. So that is 3. So that's very simple, right? Now we take the middle 2 ropes, pull them through here. So pull the middle through, and then you make one more square knot with these 4 ropes. Okay, there's your berry knot. I'll show you one more down here in the middle, and after I will fast forward the rest of the pattern. So 1, 2, and the last one. Up, take the middle 2 ropes through the middle here. Up, and use these 4 ropes again to make a square knot. Okay, well that's it. Now just continue the pattern. Okay, so I want to show you one more thing. So use the outside cord as your holding cord to make another line of double clove hitch knots. So one more, and we start from the other side. one more, and then the diamond is finished. So when you continue this pattern, you'll see you'll have 3 diamonds here, 1, 2, 3 diamonds. Here you will get 2 diamonds, and then 3 diamonds again, 2 diamonds, 3 diamonds, 2 diamonds, and then you're done. So to continue, this one is your holding cord. So you can count the same way. 3, 2, 4, 5, 6. So the 6th one is always your holding cord. Okay, I'm gonna speed it up.